Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I hope your day is going well so far. Currently 50 degrees, cloudy, and heavy rain is falling here in the valley at the moment. Wow, what a treat. Today I'm going to taste test the Redbird brand Peppermint Bark original recipe. I bought this 7-ounce bag for $3.39 at a local department store earlier today. Full disclosure, Burlington is not a sponsor of this video, and the Piedmont Candy Company Incorporated is not a sponsor of this video. The store had about 2 dozen of these packages in stock up by the checkout registers and also toward the back of the building in the homeware section as well. So they were scattered out throughout the store. The red and silver design of the package caught my eye, and I figured I'd give it a try. If you've tried these, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of them are. And this package has an expiration date of September 26th, 2023. Oh, yeah. Woo! That is a strong peppermint smell. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, peppermint. Candy cane. Candy cane. Whoa, whoa, Rachel. Whoa, Snowman Dan. Cheers, everybody. Oh, wow. The chocolate bark part it melts in the mouth. Tangy from the peppermint. Ooh. Nice peppermint aftertaste. The peppermint and the chocolate complement each other. Great flavor. I think it's a great value. Or it'd be a great dessert. Or even get these as stocking stuffers if you can find a stocking large enough to put this in. Oh, wow. Tasty, creamy, just melts in the mouth. Very vibrant, the colors. I'm not sure how it's coming up on the camera, but the peppermint's very vibrant, white and red, and then the chocolate, very dark, brown. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give the Redbird brand a peppermint bark a 9.75. Wow, impressive. Wow. Good emblems. I love the taste. Wow. Wow, this was everything that I expected and more, honestly. Oh, yeah, so creamy. Minty fresh breath. Until next time, applesauce. Bye, everybody. Have a great rest of your evening and a fun and safe rest of your week and month. Ta-da. Bye, everybody. Ta-da.